Hi, my name is Jati Noza. I'm the Managing Director of Makeob Systems Limited. It's a computer company in Tottenham, the most established computer company in Tottenham. We've been established here since 1988. We're involved in repairs, sales and maintenance of computer equipment. Our equipment is always state-of-the-art. Engineers fully trained. What do we look at? Well, first of all, our customer base is small business, medicine, doctors, nurses, teachers, university businessmen, even accountants. So we have got a whole set of people who we look after. Data recovery is a very big aspect at this moment in time, and we have got a lot of quality software to recover data from damaged hard drives, from formatted hard drives, or hard drives that have been dropped. We do a lot of work on networks, wired networks, wireless networks. We work for clients in their offices, or sometimes clients bring their equipment here for us to work. Depending on the situation, we will work for you. Our motto has always been that we want to work for you. We want to make sure that we work fast and we solve your problem. Your computer downtime should be as less as possible. Data recovery I have mentioned, but that's just one of the things. Any computer related problem, I can help you.